right now I am this office.com, the Microsoft 365 homepage, and in this particular homepage what we are going to do is we are going to click on the button called as admin to navigate to the admin center. Okay, so right now I am in the Microsoft 365 admin center, and we are going to click on this oval button and then click on the settings and click organization settings. From here what we need to search for is the word brand center. So this is the brand center which is in preview. It provides the customization for the Microsoft 365 app. So this is for the first time we are opening it, and this particular feature is in preview right now. That helps to manage assets and resources for the all Microsoft 365 app. When we set it up, it will create a new site with the name brand guide, and the new with the site address or the URL as brand guide without the space. So there is another thing which we have to keep in mind is whenever we are creating a new brand center site, it should be having the public CDN activation, like a public CDN. So when we activate this site, the brand center, the any files which are uploaded in the brand center are going to be available as a public content delivery network or the CDN, and the files should be accessible to anyone who is able to extract the URLs that point to them. There is a warning, like if you don't want to use this feature and proprietary informations are there, don't use it. But we want to see it, so let me click on this create site button now. So as you can see, our brand center site is set up and ready to go, and here are the two URLs. Let me just go and copy them into the separate notepad file. So let me open the notepad and just paste these two URLs. One is for the center site and one is for the brand center app. Okay, let me just go and open up this brand center app into the new browser tab. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see, the brand center app is loaded. It's still in preview, so that's why it's still written as preview there. And what we can do is we can add the funds here which are going to be used into the brand. If you want to learn more about the brand assets, you can learn it here. From here, this Microsoft Build article, which is demonstrating what we can do with the modern experience and classic site experience using the site branding. Okay, the next thing what we want to check is when I click on this add funds button, I can go and upload any of the brand funds. If I want to have my own funds, then the default funds which are available in the Microsoft 365, I can upload that file in here, and it is going to be available as a brand center item to me for the brand funds. If I want to learn more about the licensing of the funds, I can just click on this document and it is going to land me on this article for the licensing of the funds. Okay, so this is something which is a documentation for the brand font licensing. Let me click on this upload, or we can just go and click back. So this is how we can set up this brand center. If we have any already created brand, then these are the sections where it is going to be applied on the SharePoint site and on the Viva connection. Let me go and copy this brand guide URL. This is a standard site. The thing which we have to identify, or what we are looking for right now, is related to the settings. This is the standard template of any SharePoint site. If you go and click on the site setting, and here we will see another link for the brand center preview. When I click on this brand center preview link, it will open up that same brand center. Okay, and the next thing which we want to check right now is available in the change the look the page, change the look page. So when I click on this change the look, you will notice a new section is available for the font, which is in the preview obviously. And here it is saying like font packages control how combination of fonts and styles are assigned to elements of an experience. If you want to learn more about the font packages, we can go and read it from this site. Right? What are the default font packages available? These are the number of, I think 6 to 8 default font packages are available. And if we want to create our own font package, we have to follow this guideline of how we want to create our new font. So before that, we have to upload that fonts into the brand font library, and then we can work on it, and it is going to be available. Our custom fonts are going to be available in the organization section like this. Right now we don't have any fonts, so we are just having these default fonts which are available from Microsoft. So let's say when I change the font family to Aptos Serif, the fonts on the page changes. If I change it to SecUI, which is Microsoft's default, it is looking like this. Let's say I want to change it to William Trade Gothic Next. The changes are instantly displayed onto the page, and how my page will look like with those fonts. If I change it to Sitka heading, the font package is previewed. If you want to save it, we can just save it. If I just refresh, the changes are not saved. So we have to save the font changes if you want to have it as an effect. So let's say I want to make this let's say this Trade Gothic Next as my fonts for the site. When I click on save, my fonts for the site has been saved. So now if I go and refresh the page again, those font changes are going to be available to me for this particular site. Okay,